Hey everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 so that you can start your coding journey in no time. So go in your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio Code. You will be redirected to the website code.visualstudio.com. This is the open source project from Microsoft. So just click on the first link. You will be redirected to the website of Visual Studio Code. Here you can see it provides IntelliSense, run and debug, version control system, and multiple extensions so that you can customize your Visual Studio Code in the way you want. You can see here Meet IntelliSense. It will improve your code writing journey. Then here you can see print statements, debugs, Git repositories, and multiple things are there. You can see there are lots of extensions available for various languages like Python, C++, Java, Ruby, etc. etc. And it will support almost all kind of development such as Java, C hash, C++, Python, etc. Also, Visual Studio Code is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Here, by clicking on the Download for Windows button, you are able to download Visual Studio Code. But still, if you want to download it for other platform, just click on the arrow and from here you can see you can download Visual Studio Code for Linux as well as Mac OS. I am just going to click on download Visual Studio Code. So it will redirect you to the documentation page, and in the bottom side of my Chrome you can see Visual Studio Code is getting downloaded. So let's see in the downloads folder. Okay, let's refresh. Now you can see Visual Studio Code 64-bit is downloaded in our downloads folder. So I'm just going to right click on it and run it as an administrator. Just provide the permission for your Windows to install the application. Okay, so here all the terms and conditions you can read if you want and just click on the next. By accepting it, click on the next. Here setup will install in the this specific directory of your machine. You can change if you want. I'm just going to click on the next. Just going to click on the next. Here the important thing. You need to select all these options, create a desktop icon, add open code with the Windows Explorer file command menu. So it when you right click, you will get the option to open Visual Studio Code. And also you can open the Visual Studio Code with the command line by the command code dot. And so you can check all the necessary and just click on the next. Just click on the next. So here you can see Visual Studio Code is getting installed in your operating system. It will take few moments and just click on the finish. So we have checked that open on completion. So it will open Visual Studio Code after completion. So basically this is the interface initial. You can see this is welcome screen and here you can change the themes of Visual Studio Code. There are multiple themes available. You can change the themes from here as well. There are multiple themes. Apart from this, it's like other Windows editor. So here you will get file, edit and all options. This is the file explorer. Here you can set up your project. This is the search. In your project, you can search everything. This is the version control system. We will see how to add this version control system. Then after debugging tool and extensions. So in the bottom side, you can see the settings. And if I open the setting, you can see for user, there are multiple settings are provided and you can change and customize your all settings from here. So these are all the settings provided in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm just going to close the Visual Studio Code and I will see you how we can open in different ways. So I'm just going to open it in downloads folder. So what I will do, I will just right click and show old menu, and here you can see open with code. So as soon as I click open with code, you can see I am able to open the Visual Studio Code in the specific folder, and that is downloads folder. This is the one way. Let's see the another way of opening Visual Studio Code. So I am going to open my command prompt, and I am going to fire a command code space dot, and here you can see the Visual Studio Code is open in my desktop directory. In the next video, we will see the interface of Visual Studio Code in detail. Thanks for watching. If you found our content helpful, then please like, share and subscribe for such kind of tutorials. Happy coding!